This project has been ongoing for almost 6 years now, with many of our top engineers working tirelessly to develop a safe, reliable and efficient ammonia-fueled engine. So we are currently testing here in Mitsui, and we are happy to say that we have a stable and reliable engine.
エバレンスと三井、ライセンス契約を結んだのは1926年です。来年で100周年を迎えます。そういった中で培ってきた関係をもとに、このアンモニアエンジンも開発を進めてきました。これからも、この関係をもとに開発を進めていきます。我々の三井では、エンジンの開発だけではなくて、エンジンにアンモニアを送る供給装置、アンモニアは燃焼させても、CO2 を発生させないといった点でメリットがあります。で、アンモニアは水素に比べて非常に扱いやすいといった点でメリットがあると考えています。
We are essentially building a full-scale engine lab remotely here at Mitsui to cover the very first engine at our licensee. In total, we monitor around hundreds of data points, including over 200 temperature sensors, to create a detailed heat map of the combustion chamber. All this effort we do to capture as much insight as possible from every angle of a new engine. It's exciting to be part of a development that is setting the ground, I would say, for change in world shipping, and it makes you especially proud to see the results firsthand. Ammonia has proven to be a very promising fuel for marine two-stroke engines. It can combust efficiently and safely, much like a conventional hydrocarbon fuel. Our tests have shown that ammonia combustion results in very low NOx emissions while keeping ammonia emissions well within acceptable limits. Engine operation remains stable even at very low loads, and the transition between diesel and ammonia is seamless. I feel proud and deeply satisfied knowing that I am participating in a project that will contribute significantly to reducing emissions in the shipping industry.